hello people who appreciate guys with long hair. So if you want to do this, grow your hair, obviously you'll have to take care. You'll have to maintain it. Let's face it. I mean, there's no point in denying it. So now, if you have very wavy, very curly hair, it is said, and it is not said, it is what it is. You must use a very good white tooth comb. And I recently found out you should not brush curly hair, especially when they are dry. And the best time to detangle is right after the shower, right after the wash. And I was looking for a good brush, a good shampoo brush. Another thing I found out, that is what you're supposed to do after you condition your hair, which I did, and I found this one. It's, as you can see, it's quite innovative and it works. It works. The first time I did this, after shampooing, after washing, I not kidding, the hair breakage was almost 1/3, and I did it with this comb. But honestly speaking, it was because I was doing on wet hair. But still, this is a really good comb. If you can see, it is barely getting entangled. Look at that. I could not believe that taking care of your hair would turn out into some sort of science. I had to break my head a lot about these things, but it's good. Let me learn this. It's really good. So as you can see, it doesn't tangle much. By the way, this is an Indian company. Great initiative by the woman who came up with this. Her name is Tanya something, I forgot. This is called the Exo Curls, Exo Love Curls. And yeah, so that was it. So this is it. It's a really good comb, a shampoo comb as well as for detangling, even when it's dry. Yeah. So great product, great initiative. Thanks a lot.